glad she's in your life. I'm glad she's there for you guys because she seems really nice. I hope your dad doesn't scream at her like he did at me. Unfortunately, I think he's going to.
Are you crying?
Oh, no. No, I just feel sorry for her. Because Dad was married before me, you know, to a lady named Jamie. And he did the same thing to her. So I just want you to know, I think your dad genuinely cares for you and loves you. But he has some real problems. Okay? So it's not your fault, Judah. You got it? It's not your fault. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Because I think when you want to start dying is because you think you're bad, because you're getting screamed at. Like even with me, I got angry. All I did was hit this and say stop it, and I got angry and it made you want to die.